Hi, welcome back. My name is Hashim. This is our review of Xiaomi's Poco C31. What comes in the box are the 10-watt power adapter, micro USB cable, SIM ejection tool, documentation, and Poco C31. 164.9 by 77.1 mm in dimension, 9 mm in thickness, 194 grams in weight. Back of the phone built with plastic, top part plain and lower part textured, a fingerprint scanner at the back, a 3.5 mm headphone jack at the top, microphone, micro USB port and speaker grill at the bottom. SIM card tray on the left side. It's a 3-in-1 SIM card tray where 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card could be placed. This phone supports micro SD cards up to 512 GB. There's a rubber seal around the SIM card tray for dust and water resistance. Volume rockers and the power button is placed on the right. It's a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display with a water drop notch for the selfie camera. Display resolution is 1600 by 720 pixels, 269 ppi and 81% display to body ratio. The screen is protected by Pentaglass. On the back, there's a quad camera array. Primary sensor is a 13-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Then there's a LED flash. The primary sensor supports HDR and 30 frames per second video recording at 1080p. The selfie camera is a 5-megapixel wide-angle lens. It also supports HDR 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second. In addition to that, it's possible to face unlock with the selfie camera. As far as the sensors and the connectivity goes, Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, micro USB 2 with support for OTG, FM radio. It's important to note that compass is not available on this phone. Under the hood, the SoC is a MediaTek Helio G35 with octa-core CPU and PowerVR GE8320 GPU. As far as the storage options are concerned, there are two options: 32GB model with 3GB RAM and a 64GB model with 4GB RAM. The built-in LiPo 5000 mAh battery supports charging up to 10 watt. According to the Poco website, it takes 161 minutes to fully charge this phone, and on 4G standby, it lasts up to 540 hours. Our advice for those who are considering this phone, please watch our review of Poco C3 linked at the top. These two phones are the same except for the fingerprint sensor and the price difference. All the internal components and the designs are the same. Hope this video helps. Make sure to like the video, and if not done already, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.